In this video, we present an overview of specialized tools and mechanical devices designed to optimize manual labor. These solutions aim to improve work efficiency, reduce physical strain, and enhance workflow across various industries. While some mechanisms may appear simple in design, their functionality demonstrates significant usefulness and practical value. If the spray paint cap is lost, you can use a syringe needle instead. Just slightly bend the tip of the needle and add a washer to make pressing and spraying easier. This sticky substance is used for quickly and effectively sealing holes or cracks temporarily to prevent the leakage of water or other liquids. To prevent coal from being stolen from the wagons on the way to its destination, the Chinese use a special press to apply identifying marks. Someone came up with a simple way to mount a tire onto a metal scooter rim using a homemade wooden lever. If the faucet in the bathroom doesn't have a spout, you can temporarily use a plastic bottle as a water flow guide. It was a hot day, but work in the garden had to be done. To stay protected from the scorching sun, a person came up with the idea of attaching an umbrella to their head using a plastic bottle as a mount. This man came up with a clever way to ignite a gas burner using an electric fly swatter. If it often rains in your area, but you still need to ride a bike, you can modify it like this man did by attaching a roof and doors. If you attach a regular tablespoon to a watering hose or spout, the water spray will spread out more, allowing you to cover a larger area of plants compared to watering in just one spot. A magnet is used in production to make it easier to collect nails into boxes. If a few arborvitae have dried out, a person temporarily restores their appearance by painting them green. A worker came up with an easy way to move a large sheet of metal roofing to the desired spot for installation on the roof. The man uses a special machine to create ridges on a metal pipe and then bends it in the desired direction. The workers, laying paving tiles, came up with a simple yet clever way to work under the scorching sun. They used a sheet of foam insulation as a sunshade. This tractor-mounted implement is designed to simplify the planting process. A person manually places the plant onto a rotating disc, which then inserts it into the soil. If you want to ride a motorcycle, but the weather or other reasons won't allow it, you can simulate the experience. Simply place your smartphone on the motorcycle's dashboard, sit on the bike, launch a driving simulation game, and control it by tilting the real motorcycle's handlebars. A tablet is mounted in place of the motorcycle's license plate from a distance. It's hard to tell. This anti-theft system is far more effective than a cheap electronic alarm, as the pedals are blocked by a metal cover. Cut a plastic hood from a bottle to keep your rear camera dry. A chemical paint remover acts as a solvent. It easily penetrates into the old decorative coating and softens it. Galvanizing your exposed ends will protect them and create a more durable job. If there's no electrical outlet in the room, you can use this device that screws into a light bulb socket. If you want your compact car to sound like a powerful V8 engine, just attach this accessory to the muffler and the sound will be transformed. After sandpaper is made, it must be cut into even pieces for ease of use and further sale. This device can produce corn sticks. To do so, simply set the desired parameters and product shape, then fill the hopper with corn. The process of production and processing of a huge drill bit in a factory. This is how the body of a spoon is shaped. Here, you can see the adhesive being applied to seam together two pieces of turf. This device will cut the meat product into the desired and small pieces for further cooking. The tractor driver decided to test his tractor's off-road capability by digging deep pits. This metal cage is mounted on a tractor to quickly and efficiently capture cattle in the field. Very powerful and bright LED flashlight. Assembling a screw air compressor after a major overhaul. After assembling the battery pack for the electric bike, it is wrapped in a heat shrink sleeve using a heat gun to securely hold all the components in place. This chemical spray can be used to give any object a golden or reflective finish. This aluminum can be sprayed with Line-X. It can now hold a truck and not crush. Roto Shovel is a handheld automatic shovel to plant flowers, vegetables, and small shrubs. The water-cooled grinding machine is designed for finishing, straightening, and sharpening of cutting tools. Pipe cutter for plastic pipes. It cuts pipes without facings and fits comfortably in your hand. A construction company director challenged a man in Paris to build a bridge out of just 9 wooden beams without using a single nail that could support his own weight, promising him a job if he succeeded. Thermal drilling in action. Due to the formation of the lower and upper collar during drilling, it's possible to thread a thin-walled workpiece. For the production of wax crayons, it is necessary to prepare raw materials and pour them into special cylindrical molds. After hardening, the crayons will be ready. The device for making cotton candy can be easily made independently from improvised means. We need an angle grinder, slippers as a stand, and a sink where it all needs to be placed. This mousetrap is designed for humane control of mice. It does not harm the rodents. It can be used indoors of any type as well as outdoors. This mousetrap is quite simple to use, but effective. This homemade hand tool forms a hole in the ground into which potatoes sit. If you need to dry the nuts, you can make such drying from a metal bucket and a tube that is hammered into the ground. This RC vehicle is intended for entertainment. Instead of wheels, plastic bottles are installed on it. This allows it to move through the water and not sink. These are modern airless car tires that have a non-standard design and they cannot be punctured. This electric drill is made from a motor salvaged from an old washing machine. Here's how you can use it to clean corn. At first glance, it seems that the candle is in a glass, and when filled with water, it does not go out. This is a homemade entertainment attraction that rotates in 2 directions by inertia. This line produces and automatically tests incandescent light bulbs to quickly chop small firewood. You can make such a simple wood splitter from improvised means. This simplifies the work and saves time. This machine automatically fills the soil into seeding cassettes. After that, seeds will be planted in each cell. On this fully automatic line, discs for angle grinders are produced without human intervention. This attachment is powered by the tractor's power takeoff shaft. It saves time and effort. See how accurately the robot fills bottles without spilling a drop of liquid. These paws are put on shoes and allow a person to climb high on any tree. Using this polyurethane form, you can imitate brick or stone on a concrete screed. With mesh, metal fittings, and cement, you can independently make such a fence. It is strong and durable. Using an old car tire and a tractor, you can clear a clogged drain pipe. The tire fits tightly and removes dirt. To fertilize a field, a farmer used a Eurocube with liquid fertilizer mounted on a tractor. This homemade robot plays tic-tac-toe, but due to programming errors, it cheats. As spiky metal tools quickly peel garlic cloves. Using 2 wrenches, one on top of the other, you can loosen a rusted bolt. This tool works on the principle of leverage to ease digging. Using a laser level, a plumber trims plastic pipes with precision. This modified bicycle sharpens knives or scissors when pedaled. A hanging rotating wheel is used to loosen bolts quickly. A special device seals gaps between walls and installed plastic windows. Avocados are sliced with stunning precision. A person cleans broken glass from ceramic tiles in seconds using a mop and dustpan. After roofing, workers precisely trim metal sheets to fit slate waves. To fill potholes, sand is used and solidified with special liquid adhesive. This machine shapes dough into round balls quickly. This scooter moves on basketballs, which can also be used to play. A huge outdoor vacuum cleaner outperforms a broom. An invention improves soil water absorption. In the final production stage, the frying pan handle is riveted securely. Rubber coating increases glove durability. Makeshift equipment activate a hammer via foot pedal. A machine packs lubricating material into containers. This shredding machine processes large amounts of vegetables instantly. Worker shows how aquaprint is applied to a glove. Worker tests sliders after manufacturing. Glass ampules are sealed after medication is added. This is a collapsible tile laying machine that can lay all the way at once with edge finishing. A mesh installed on a bicycle is used to sift sand. A bulldozer fills sand directly into bags instead of using a bucket. An excavator makes a hole in river ice to help fish breathe. A pedestrian uses a brick-like object to stop cars at a crossing. The hairdresser uses a powerful but small clipper to cut very thick hair. A laser machine engrave text on remote control buttons. The roller presses the marking numbers onto the fresh asphalt. This nozzle will become an indispensable auxiliary tool for collecting dust when drilling holes with an electric drill. A device that facilitates harvesting. It can be used to pick both walnuts and apples. A narrow long shovel is ideal for pipe trenching. The asphalt gets so hot that it melts car tires. The cook uses a round mold to shape the dough when making dumplings. Handheld portable printer for marking goods. New shoes are wrapped in bags and heated with a hairdryer for neat packaging. A job is always better accomplished by a team than all alone. watering can attachment has been installed on the tractor, allowing it to irrigate crops across large fields. This simple yet effective solution significantly reduces the workload for farmers and improves irrigation efficiency. Modern equipment with which you can lay cables underground. Water rowing machines are a great way to get a rigorous cardiovascular workout without high-impact stress on your joints. This bin is from the future. When it gets full, it automatically seals the trash bag inside to guarantee no spilling or exposure to any bad odor.